Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tylene. I'm EB seller. So I've been selling clothes since 2018, but I didn't know, or I know that you can promote your items as doing a vlog or promote anywhere. But I didn't do that. Since 2018, I was selling clothes already. So I've been selling clothes for many years already, but I didn't do vlog like this. But I have a lot of sold items, even though I didn't uh I didn't do vlog. So, but do you know, guys, if you're a EB seller, even you don't do promoting like this, you still can sell on EB. I don't know why, but I have a lot of sold items already since 2018. So my what I'm doing is, before I only do part-time because I like to do garage sale, and most of my items, guys, is from garage sale. So every summer here I always go into garage sale, and then I stock I stock a lot of clothes that I buy from garage sale on that summertime, and then I list every day I list. So I have a lot of clothes to list on winter time, because I don't want some people doing like this, like as a seller. I see some people doing like goodwill goodwill beans or something like that, but I don't do it because here we don't have too much like a per pound goodwill or something like that. And plus, I don't know where I can go there, where I can get it like that. But some states they have that, but here I don't know. So the only thing I know is garage sale. So I have a lot of clothes, guys, that it's worth it from garage sale. So before, so this is the story of my business. So when 2018, when during 2018, guys, is a uh I have a baby. I have a baby and small baby, but while staying at home, I want to have like, even though I'm staying at home and I'm okay, but uh my husband is a provider, but as a mom, because before I get pregnant I already have a job, but when I have a baby, I choose to stay home because I want to take care of him, as a mother. So I stay home, and then sometimes, baby always sleeping. So sometimes I really, really want to do, uh, I'm always searching how to make money online, or, how to make money while staying at home, something like that. So I have a lot of, I do a lot of things before, like watching a movie, so something like watching a thing, and then you get some money, like a cent something. But I used to watch something like in YouTube, and I see a lady that she is the reason why she is in YouTube, because she is selling on eBay. So so that's how I learned how to make money while staying at home. So I follow her, and then I think, you know her name. She's famous. She's American, she's famous, and she have two kids, and she's very hardworking, and I like it. So during the time when I watched her video, I said, "Wow, you can do that. You can do like that." So, so I don't know what to do. I don't have anything. I don't have even printer or scale or polymailer. I don't have anything. But she said, if you're a first time, you can use clothes from your closet. So that time, guys, I have lots of clothes from my closet that sometimes uh, we I didn't know. So before I put a lot of clothes in Goodwill donation, but when I find out that you can make money clothing, so that's why when I know that you can make money, so I went to my closet and pick all the clothes that I need that we don't need and sell it and try to make a list. So I registered my name on my on eBay. So it's very easy. So after I registered, guys, I list right away 20 items. So the all my dresses that I know I don't need. It's not that that clothes I'm so amazed because that clothes that I list, it's the brand is like Old Navy, and then it's floral, like a dress, floral, Old Navy, extra small. And then I remember that day, that's the first one that sold on the first time. So I list 20 items on that day, and boom, 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 like like three uh three sold items. So it's make me exciting. It make me excited because while you're sleeping, somebody gonna send you offer. I'm selling $20 and they want offer like $19. So I said okay. So I send offer, and then they automatically paid, and then I was so scared. I don't know how to deal with this if you have sold items. So I don't know how to deal with it. So you know what happened? I watch a video again how to what you gonna use when what you need when you have sold items. So that's how I learned about her also, because she have a lot of video. uh you can learn a lot of things from her. So she have a video that this is what you need, polymailer and all this and scale and something like that. So before, guys, when I am doing listing, I don't even have a scale. I just list, and I don't know how many pounds, but less than a pound. So I just estimated it. Oh my gosh. So we find out that you need a scale to have a proper measurement. So that's what I do when I sold that Old Navy, $17, because a lot of expenses there, down break down the expenses or something like that. So I have that, and then the other one. So but I can't see now here in my phone, so I think I can show over here, or like in the past. It's a long time ago, guys. I don't know if I can still see it, my previous sold item, something like that. So yeah, that's make me excited. I have 3 sold items, and uh that sold items, guys, it's going to my bank right away. It's everything, all my sold items on that week is $90. So because I have $90, and that day and that time is during summertime. So we pass by, we coming home, guys, somewhere, and then when we pass by, and then they have a garage sale, and it's a lot of clothes. That's how I find out. That's that's the that is more bitter when you do garage sale. So when during the time I said, oh my, so I have a money in my card worth of $90 because of my sold items. So I use that money. I'm not scared to do it. I just do it. So I said, okay. So because I'm making a business, I'm making a money already. If it's just $90, it's fine. So I grabbed the opportunity uh to buy all the clothes, guys. So I buy all the clothes for $150 on that first time in garage sale. So my money from my business is only $90. So I put money because the all my items that I grab from the garage sale is $150. So I spend money, my own money, not from my uh not only from my business money. So I have a money this I have a card for only for a business, guys. So that time, can you believe that when when I get home from that 4 sacks of clothing, that's a lot of jeans, a lot of jeans, winter coat, and then like athletic clothing. And you know what is the jackpot, guys? That's how I learn and I love to sell clothes, because when I have a jackpot on that garage sale, even though I spend $150, but in one jeans, I lost all the jeans. In one jeans, $17. I can't believe it, because I when I list the jeans, I need to look it up first if how much this kind of jeans, how much is uh what is that, like a brand. So that brand is a rock revival jeans means, and it sold very quickly, guys. So my first uh sold that time from that garage sale is Rock Revival, worth of $70, and then Angel, uh, Angel jeans, and even Miss Me jeans. So I have, oh my God, that's why I'm collecting every time, because I'm collecting jeans, because during that time when I have a jackpot from garage sale, all the jeans is very very nice and worth it. But you know how much only I buy? $2 each. Can you believe that? I spent $2 each for that jeans, but I grabbed everything, all their jeans. I grabbed everything. So I think maybe like 25 pieces or more, but not everything is the same brand. Of course, some of the brand is like a ordinary brand like Levi's, like thing. But the jackpot of that jeans is a Rock Revival. I remember that day. Rock Revival, Miss Me, uh, Silver, all that kind of jeans, guys. That's how I know, and how that's that's how now that's how I know how to pick up a good brand when I go to garage sale. I know what I want to pick up, because that's how I learn. When you do selling clothes, you learn a lot of things to improve your business. So before, I'm selling only like uh Old Navy, from Walmart thing or something like that, because I don't know about all that brand. But now, because every day, so I learned something that if you want to sell something, that's why I said Oh my gosh. People here, they like brand clothes. Or it's depend. Sometimes I sell also like a ordinary brand. It's sold also, but it's a small amount of money. But that's okay as long as you have sold items. So, what else? Hmm, wait a minute. And also, I just want to share my experience, guys, about international. So before, when I first selling on AB, I also experienced like international. So I don't know how to deal with it, but when I find out that it's more easier, it's still the same. That when you sold items, it's just the same that you just deliver on that thing, and then after that, when you deliver that on the like EB rest house, what is that, like thing, and then EB is handle everything for you as a seller. So that's what I like on EB also, because international is the best. So I have lots of sold items, guys, from going to like Mexico, Germany, and all over the world. Oh, not Philippines or something, but I have a lot of not a lot, but few buyer from international. Can you believe that? I love it. So that's why I like selling clothes, guys, because I'm happy. At the same time, I stay with my baby at home. So that's what I like. And you don't like that when you stay home and then you make a profit from your thing. So why not, no? But my house is full of clothes. Do you know where I put all my clothes? I have a one room. I have a extra one room that it's fit all my inventory, and I organize all the container and all that, and I already, oh, this is also, oh my god, before, guys, before when I start selling, I can't believe it. It's very hard time for me. Every time I have sold items, I need to dig every edge of my container, my inventory, because I don't know how to organize it. Like whatever you sold, you need to look everything. So I have like 20 container already, guys. Before, I have a lot. Every time I have sold items, I'm so mad because I don't know where did I put it, because everything is there, and then but I need to dig each of the container because I don't know how to organize. But one day, I told my husband, I said, "Can you help me how to how to uh, organize my inventory, because I have a hard time when I have sold items, I don't know what I'm doing." So he helped me, and this is what he do. He buy something like QR code in Amazon, and then have a app also here, and then we put a QR code in every container, and then we put all the clothes, and now it's organized, and that's what I like to pursue it, because before, oh my god, I have a hard time, but now that I know and easy to do it now, so I do my business as a full-time reseller, because it's a good money, guys. Not only for side hustle, but it's a good money also if you really want to do it. Believe me, if you try it, just do it, because you will like it. Done working. Oh my god. While I'm pregnant, before I'm working in a corporate job, and I need to wake up 2 o'clock in the morning. I need to wake up early in the morning, 2 o'clock, and then going to work, and then come home 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm pregnant. Oh my god. Sometimes I'm sleeping in the cafeteria. Do you have a cafeteria, guys? I'm sleeping over there, and somebody wants me to send home, but it's okay. I said it's okay. I'm waiting for somebody. 2 o'clock. So, oh my god. So when I have a baby, I choose to stay home. So, for me, when I start selling EB, that's how I grow that it's better to stay home and making your own business, and you are the one who handle everything. It's not easy. It's not easy to handle everything, but you have your freedom to go with your family. And sometimes, did you know, guys, that's what I like on my store, because when I go somewhere like a vacation, when I will do a vacation, like we're going to Philippines like 2 weeks or something like that, you know what's happened? You can even edit your uh store that you are the seller is away in 2 weeks, so nobody can purchase on that 2 weeks. And then when you come home in 2 weeks, it's resumed right away automatically. So you don't need to worry about when you go vacation or something like that, because you can edit your store. You are away from that. You need to, yeah, you can edit over there that you are away from uh, your store if you are in vacation, because you can't have what is that, I mean, you can't have sold items while you are in vacation. So uh you need to edit your store that you are away from that day and that date. So it's okay, guys. It's more easier and better. So when you like to start BB business, just try it. And it's not easy. I'm telling you, it's not that easy, but it's easy. For me, it's not that easy, but it's easy. The hardest things for me is to answering the question of my customer. That's what it's hard for me. But all these things like listing and all this sold items, everything is very easy for me. But this, when somebody asks me a question, and what's the size, what's the thing, what's the size of I have lots of like like English. They have like English, guys, that sometimes I can't reply right away because I need to think, what is this? Like, oh my god, I came from the third world country. So even though I'm not fluent in English, but I'm trying my best. Oh, that's my life. So if ever somebody laugh at me because I speak English and I'm not fluent, it's not my problem, it's your problem. Oh, I'm so strict. No, what I mean is I'm trying. If you want to do it, you can do it. Just try your best. So that's my so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I gonna put all my sold items over there, and then I'm trying to edit how to edit over there and show household items. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.